Welcome back to another PL Adventures Tundra video. If you're new to the channel, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button. So today, on this episode, we're going to talk about the wind noise. So every time I drove, I felt like it was cracked. I went to the dealerships twice, and the first time they put foam in here, and the second time they were saying that it's my vent visor. But I found out that if you go right here and you put tape, it's this little plastic that goes to this. If you put tape between it, it solves the issue. I hope this video helps. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.